Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how or which products to avoid when you guys are doing product research for Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls, and it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, this is how you guys do product research, or should I say this? These are the products that you guys should avoid when doing product research, right? So when doing product research, you guys usually open up your supplier website like this, and then you open up your Amazon website, right? Like this one, and then you usually plug in the cost. So this product is 1337. 1337. Sale price is about $27. So it's already giving you a low ROI, right? So this one is already a red flag for you. And this one's giving you 1,140 sales a month. Sorry. So this one is a variation. As you guys can see here, it says V. It's a variation. So again, you go down to variations tab. You click the variation here. Pack of 3. Interesting. Okay, I think the mistake here is that this one is actually a pack of 3, right? Right here it says pack of 3, and then here it's only giving you a price for one piece. So 1337 times 3 is what? Let's see. 1337 times 3, 40, 4011. So 4011 obviously is giving you a very low ROI. So this is a common mistake with beginner sellers. They look at the products, right, and they think they match, which they do actually. But the problem is on Amazon, sometimes they sell in packs of 2, 3, 4. So yeah, it's very confusing for new sellers sometimes. So just be very careful because this one again is a pack of 3, and this one is only a pack of 1. So if you input your cost, you got to multiply this number by 3. And if you do, as you guys can see here, it's giving you a negative ROI, right? So there's that. Next product. So this one is, what is this? I don't know what this is. Yeast. Okay, so it's yeast. Let me refresh this real quick. So this one is 1 pound yeast for $5.99. So again, you go to seller amp, right? You plug in $5.99 here under your cost. So everything looks good. So this one is selling at 1,000 sales a month. This one is a variation. So again, I would go down to variations tab here, pick the variation right there and check it. So the problem with this one is this variation is not really getting any reviews or sales a month. So this product, right, this whole listing is getting 1,125 sales a month. But then again, this one is a variation, right? So we got to find the exact sales per month per variation. And again, if you go down here under variations, once we check it, there's really not much sales per month for this exact variation, which makes this a bad product to buy because you don't want to buy this and be stuck, right? Be stuck with this because it's not moving. It may seem good on the first glance, right? Like 90% ROI, 1,000 sales a month. But if you guys go deeper, you guys are going to realize that this product might not even move. So I would stay away from this one. So the next product is, what is this? Sticker? I don't know what this is, but it looks like a toy. So this, okay, let's see. So this one is a pack of 2, right? So 2. So again, the cost is $5.95. So 595 times 2 is 1190. So cost is 1190. It's giving you a negative 2% ROI already, right there, which is already a red flag, right? And then here under estimated sales is giving you 306 a month, but this one is a variation. So I would go down variation. Let's see, let me refresh this real quick. So setup 2, sales per month is 303. It's a variation, so go down variation, pick setup 2, click check. Okay, so this one is giving you 100% ROI. I mean, I'm sorry, 100% of all the sales for this variation. So it means this product is giving you 303 sales a month, which is good, right? But the problem is the ROI is giving you negative, right? So this product is giving you a negative 5%, like 2% ROI. So this is not really going to be good because you're starting off with a negative ROI. And even then, once you start pricing your products here, it's only giving you like a 12% ROI, right? So, I mean, this one is pretty okay, I guess. But I would still stay away from this, especially as a beginner, because I'm sure you guys are going to be able to find more products that are better than this one. So, there's that. Next product. And close these ones so it's not confusing. Next product. So this one is a 4-piece right there. So I would take this number 287. 287 times 4 is 1148. Okay, cost is 1148. Sale price is 22. It's giving you a negative 9% ROI already. So I would scroll down. Yeah, this one is okay. So I would check the variation. Right? This one's a variation. So again, you scroll down the listing. You go to variation. You pick the exact variation and check it. So this exact variation again is very similar to the other one. It's not really getting a lot of sales per month. I'm sorry, it's not really getting any ratings or reviews, which means it's not really getting much sales. So this one I would stay away from because I don't want to buy this product and it doesn't move, right? Because it's not really getting any ratings. So yeah, this is a very common beginner mistake because they usually look at this number and assume that this is the sales per month, right? But if you really dig deeper and check the exact sale per variation, it's going to be less sales or no sales. So for this instance, there's no sales, so I would stay away from this one. And I really hope you guys got value from my video. And again, this is Louis with Amazon for Beginners. And if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below. That way, you guys can join my free weekly calls and also network with other sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.